What's up, guys? I'm sorry I haven't been making my outro. That's because I clicked off of the video and it ended it. So, back to oiling up this air filter. And then I was gonna end the video. So now I gotta figure out something else to do with this video, because this isn't going to the same video. It's gonna be a different video. But this video I will be doing an outro, because I know I will. If not, I'm not posting this. Move all this stuff out the way. Set this camera up. Oh, didn't crack. Thank God. Ow. Hit it on the stunt bar. Hit my back on the stunt bar. So now we're gonna be oiling up this air filter. Where should I oil this at? I'm not oiling on that box, because I'm gonna keep that box. I'm gonna oil it on this. This is like rubber or whatever it is. I don't feel like getting this stuff all over my hands, so I need to find something to put on top of that. Because every time I spray this, it gets all over my hands no matter what. It'll get on my hands if I wear gloves, which I don't have no gloves. Rubber gloves. Some buffing rag. I found a glove, but it ain't a rubber glove. It'll be better than nothing though. Got gloves. Got gloves. It'll be better than nothing. Because every time I touch this bottle, there ends up with oil all over my hand. I hate that. I will end up ordering another one of these outer filters just to have. Well, I ain't gonna order another one until this one goes bad, because these things last like a long time. You can just like keep on cleaning them. Then you go wipe my hand. I'm gonna go grab an air filter cleaner, and then we're gonna clean that air box with the air filter cleaner and some rags. See a box of towels right there. I might have to pull up with this shop. Shop is almost empty. Box right here is almost empty. I'm gonna have to grab those rags back there. I need to grab some more rags from the store. Be right back. Deep cleaner. It says cotton. Here, look, I'll do a little closer to the camera. It says cotton air filter cleaner and multi-purpose deep cleaner. Used for on paint, chrome, plastics, and more. So I can actually spray this on the exhaust, because that's chrome. Paint. This stuff works really good too. I don't need this no more, this oil. I got that shit all over the floor. I'm gonna grab the camera in a minute after I wipe this. Let me spray it in there. And we stick a rag in there and wipe it. Get all that old air filter stuff out, because that shit was disgusting. I'm gonna move my phone over some so y'all can actually watch me. Make sure this is all mixed up. Just rub your fingers around it. Oh, no. Oh, it didn't get too dirty. That's good. Oh man, I pushed it too far back. Now, if y'all guys are new to the channel, this is my TTR50, or my dad's TTR50, but it's mine now, because he don't ride it. And it's actually sitting in the back of the shed for years. I mean, like, he didn't, the last time he started was when I was like 3 or 2. He just riding down the road and stuff, scraping. The neighbors used to hate us. What's she about to hate us again when we get this bad boy running? He just hasn't had time to work on it and ride it, so it just sat. So it's like Logan, or he wasn't like this. I was like, Dad, I'm about to pull out that dirt bike and start just like cleaning it and make a YouTube channel. He's like, you do you. I ain't got no more time for it. So he didn't say that, but that's just like what he about to say. Got that stuff everywhere. Time to pull off these ducks and touch the camera. Or my phone. And then we're gonna install the airbox cover. And then we're gonna end the video, cause this video is already 8 minutes. I really don't want to make it too long video. Cause I already made 2 today. How am I gonna do this? I'm not gonna be able to hold the camera until I get this started. So let me set this up right here. Just here, the camera right back where we started the video. Then I'll grab it after I get this stuff set on there. Looks like we lost one. Went so far. And we in that crate underneath the bike, so I'll just put on 2. Or you know, I'll put on 3. Get it tight a little bit, and I'll grab the camera and tighten them up. So yeah, if y'all new to the channel, right behind me, y'all can see it, that gray side by side, that's mine. It's a Ranger 700 XP. It was very, very, very slow until I changed the belt. That belt must have been wore out. It actually don't look too bad, but it is definitely seen better days. Cause that thing, in high, I would go like 10 miles an hour, and low, I would go like 5. I was like, something ain't right. So we changed up the belt. It cooks. I haven't did a speed test on it yet, so stay tuned. Because once it dries up, I'm gonna do a speed test on the Ranger 700. That's after I get my roof off, because it's just sitting there. I don't want that to fly off and destroy, because them speakers cost a lot of money. Got the camera for checking out 3 bolts. And if y'all still new to the channel, that's my dad's friends. That's my dad's Razor 1000 XP. And he had got that thing powder coated, that bluish, or it's not bluish, teal. Painted that. Yeah, y'all can give him the crap in the comments about painting. I mean, I paint too, just my whole plastics over there painted. Cause I don't have a picture of my bike when it was pink. I never took one. Alright, this is really hard. Hold up. I'm sorry I've been flipping the camera a lot. I mean, when I'm working, I just gotta have the perfect angles. I gotta have my screwdriver in my right hand, because I'm right-handed. Take me forever if it's in my left hand. That just make the videos like a lot longer than what they normally are. I know I made a 30-minute video today. I don't remember, the other one might have been like 20 minutes. And then I'm making a 15-minute video. Because this one's at 12, 13 minutes right now. And that over there, that red lawnmower, that's my Craftsman lawnmower. That BJ back there, that's mine. I'm gonna rebuild it for the YouTube. Hold up for that. Yeah, I'll show you the motor once I'm done tightening up these bolts. Last one. This air box only has 3 bolts, TTR 50. Now what you do is you put this intake on that metal piece. It'll go. Why is it not going? There it goes. Alright. Yeah, this is my Ranger 700. It's a beast. I just changed the motor oil. Actually, my battery is in my dad's friend's bike because his battery is a bad battery. Just put the seat down the other day because I was watching my videos. That's my battery for my bike. Duralast, so it lasts a while. It ain't too old. Here's it got an ECCO bike bar. It's 23 inch. I measured it a couple videos back. Got the winch, 1,200 pound winch from Berkshire. Oh, I'm sorry, because last couple times I've been saying 1,200 pound winch. It's 4,500 pound winch. It's got a power bass speakers. light, interior light, which my battery ain't in it, so it won't work. For that, I'll show you guys some more of this speaker. He's getting rid of that box back there, because what I understand from what my dad was saying, this is his brother's. He blew up his truck. He has to rebuild it. Bassett audio. That shit is loud. He's probably gonna get it again when he gets the money. Maybe not. Hopefully he don't, because I hate that thing. So yeah, this is my Craftsman V-Twin 2.0 Platinum. Before the hunk of shit. This is a Polaris Ranger 1000 dual overhead cam high lifter. I didn't even go over this. This is a dual overhead cam Ranger 900 XP. That's an XP. All the stuff in here is XP. All the Polaris is XP. Now I'm going up to the generator right here. Now I'm gonna go show you the motor for this AJ bike. It blew up on me. Left me stranded. I had to push it home, which was only like not even a mile. So that's good. It's a Predator engine. I swamped it before. I don't have a video. Actually, I do have a video. It's on my old phone. I'm gonna pull that out, post it on YouTube. I gotta rebuild the motor. I rebuilt it already, but I'm gonna take it back apart and put a big piston in it. Not a big piston, but performance piston. Get the thing some more horsepower. I'm gonna put a bigger crank, cause all I did was like, it was locked. It was seized up on me, so I just unseized it. Yeah, I'm gonna put a bigger crank, a bigger piston. I mean, not a bigger piston, a performance piston, performance crank. After it blew up on me, decided to make an exhaust, which will fit right there. And it actually looks pretty good with it on. Never started it up. Hopefully it's not too loud, because if it is, well, that would suck, because this right here, I cut off of the stock muffler. So the stock ain't going back unless I have to buy a new one, but I ain't spending that type of money. Now, to wrap up this video, oh, I just stepped all over that oil. Wipe off my foot. To wrap up this video, I'm gonna go pick up all of this.